Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and welcome back to the channel Atoshi'sEdulore English for All. And the idioms are back again. The 19th idiom of the day is at a snail's pace. At a snail's pace. This means something that happens extremely slow. Happens very slowly. Let's frame some sentences. The economy of the country grew at a snail's pace, which wasn't predicted by the economists. He rode his bike at a snail's pace, hoping that he would get his lost wallet on the road. The traffic was moving at a snail's pace, hence I was late for the interview. I am fed up. Besides dieting and exercising, I lost weight at a snail's pace. What's wrong with the internet? Oh, it's working at a snail's pace. They serve food at a snail's pace in this restaurant. So I'm not going to come to this restaurant again. So here you have got another idiom for the day. Now quickly frame a sentence and write it below. I'll be again back with another idiom very soon. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.